Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Science and Tech series with Dr. Vivek Rana. Topic for today's discussion is from space segment. We'll be decoding the terms Vedas, Bhuvan and MOSDEC which are in making headlines. So these are the geoportals of India which are being developed and they are going to change the way geospatial services are provided in India. So basically this domain falls under the syllabus topic indigenization of technology. Whenever India is indigenizing any major or critical technology, it is likely to be asked in examination. We have seen how IRNSS or the Indian navigation system is finding its place in lot of competitive examinations. So let's just decode what these three terms actually mean. So you can update these facts in your space notes. So the Department of Space has signed a memorandum of understanding with a geospatial private company which goes by the name of CE Information Private Limited. So the aim is to develop India's fully indigenous, you could say best quality mapping portal as well as geospatial service link. So these are the names of the three geoportals which will come into the play. The Bhuvan is already operational. We can say it has been designed and developed by Indian Space Research Organization for providing the, you could say, geospatial services, data, tools for analysis. So it will come in handy in just decoding what geospatial data is all about. Now Vedas is an acronym. You have to first decode what this term means. It stands for Visualization of Earth Observation Data Archival System. So basically in simple terms we can say it is an online geoprocessing platform that uses the microwaves, optical waves, tropical and hyperspectral Earth observation data for research purpose, academic and other services. Already it finds it's finding its application in the climate studies, hydrological studies, as well as for mapping coastal as well as our marine water resources. Coming to MOSDEM. MOSDEM is once again an acronym which stands for Meteorological Oceanographic Satellite Data Archival Center. So basically, in simple terms, once again we can say it is a data repository of all meteorological missions of ISRO so far, and that data comes in handy for once again research and academic purpose. So it is basically summarizing or you could say keeping the record of all weather information which finds its application in the climate prediction, weather studies as well as for oceanographic and studying tropical water cycles. So make sure you are not only just memorizing the full form, the application part is also equally important. And the satellites which are being used to provide these meteorological inputs and details are the Kalpana series, the INSET series, there is an Megha Tropicus which is an Indo-French joint venture, SARL satellite, so the list goes on. Make sure these satellites which are covered in our class notes in the remote sensing or Earth observation category are just gone through for a quick revision. So this is what these three specific geoportals are all about. So make sure short paragraphs on all these three themes to add them in your class notes so that you could just not mix them up with some other theme, because such acronyms are always in news in some other disciplines as well. It might try to confuse you with some these terms with some earth sciences initiative, or you could say some defense initiative if in case you have missed this one. So basically this is not going to be a main theme. Only possibility of this theme being asked is in the prelims, and yes, this could be quoted for providing the geospatial service and providing or need why there is a need for providing indigenous geospatial services. In that case also these examples could be quoted. So if you have any specific queries regarding this theme, you can ask them in comment section. We will try to answer your genuine queries. So I hope you find this quick update on space useful one. Thank you very much. Have a nice